Okay. Now, I will do. Would anybody have a suggestion for question 39, part 1?
Still multiply
Did a fancy minus thing, isn't it?
3 lines.
No, not 3 lines. 3 lines would make it very difficult.
The minus 1.
The minus 1. See the way 3 minus x and? You could do it using 3 lines, and you might actually get out the same answer.
Yeah, it's easier.
So it's easier just to recognise that it's x minus 2 over x minus 3. Multiply the top by minus 1. Multiply the bottom by minus 1. What's x minus 2 minus 1? And x minus 3 over x minus 3? Much easier than 3 lines in that case. But 3 lines will get you the answer.
Yeah.
You'll just have to factorise the top and chop off the common denominator.
Why does that go minus 1 instead of division?
Huh?
Why does that go to a minus instead of division?
This one here? Well, that's a plus.
Oh, is
And
it?
all we're doing is multiplying the top and bottom by minus 1.
Alright.
Do you remember I said that doesn't affect the value of the fraction?
Yeah.
All we're doing is taking this fraction, multiplying the top and bottom by minus 1. That does not change the value.
Yeah.
So we can just continue to add it. Okay. The one that would be really impressive in this situation would be 39 part 5. Would anybody have an inkling of how to do that? Factorise everything. Yeah. And factorise that, yeah? What would be the next step?
X bracket x plus 2 and then x plus 3.
What does the denominator not have?
X plus 3.
So that's multiplied by x plus 3.
That one x.
That one's missing a.
X plus 2.
This one is missing a.
X.
Would you guys be able to take that to the finish line now?
Yeah.
Multiply the top, multiply the middle, multiply the end,
1.
and then add them all together and keep the denominator exactly the same. Alright, how much time do I have left? 7 minutes. There's one other question I want to get around to. 37. Now, what 37 is all about is a replicable system, okay? You're going to do the same thing over and over and over and over again, okay? So, as an example, when you're adding two fractions together, remember we spoke about the 3 lines. You break it up into something that's easier. Just ignore the 1 and just start off with that. Everybody right? That's what we're starting off with. What would be the 3 lines here?
So 1 will be on.
That'd be 1 over
1.
1. So x goes to 1 to make x. 1 goes to the other 1 to make 1. And then multiply the bottoms together. Turns into that, doesn't it? So what's happened there is this part 1 has now become 1 divided by x plus 1 over x. Anybody want to stop me yet? No? We're good. Okay. At junior cert level, you would often have had a division question, something like this. 1 divided by 3/5. Would you agree with that? 1 divided by 3/5. What would you do to do that question? You do 1 multiplied by. So basically 1 divided by 3/5, yeah, presented like that. The answer to that is actually 5 over 3. You told me how to do it.
Oh, yes, sorry.
1 divided by 3/5 is that there.
Yeah.
Turn the fraction upside down and multiply, yeah?
Yeah, I just forgot that one.
So, what would be the answer for 1 divided by x plus 1 over x?
X over
X over x plus 1. All you do is whichever fraction you're dividing by, turn that upside down, and because it's multiplied by 1, it doesn't really change anything, does it? So the answer for this is actually x over x plus 1. Alright? Now you go to part 2. And part 2 looks absolutely gigantic. But what can you do?
Just do the bottom part.
What's that?
X over X plus 1.
X over X plus 1. So this question now becomes 1 plus 1 over X bracket X plus 1. Ignore the top and focus all your effort on the bottom. What's the rule for this one? 3 lines again, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 1 goes up to the X plus 1 goes to the 1. So it's going to be X plus 1. What's next?
X plus X.
Plus X divided by 1 times that.
X plus X. X plus 1.
Okay. And that will make 2x plus 1 over X. Yeah? Now look at this. Get rid of that now. And you just have to change in that way. 2x plus 1 all over X. What happens now? Remember we did it earlier? The 3/5. 1 divided by a fraction, what happens?
Flip it.
Flip it upside down, and the answer therefore will be
X over 2x.
sorry, I forgot one thing here actually, didn't I? I think I forgot something here. Actually, just gonna rewind this for a second. I've sort of confused myself. Oh, I did it. That's okay. I substitute that with that. I added on the 1. Yeah. So then I got 2x plus 1. Now it's 1 over 2x plus 1. Flip the bottom, and we're going to get x over 2x plus 1 is the answer for that. Go one more time. What are we going to do this time? What's the answer to all that?
Bottom was X over X plus 1.
This. Yeah? So it's going to be 1 divided by 1 plus x over 2x plus 1. Once again, ignore the top. What am I going to work with?
The 3 lines.
The 3 lines. X and 2x plus 1. So it's going to be 2x plus 1 plus x. I'm just working with this part here. And
All over 2x.
all over 2x plus 1. And what's that going to turn me into? 3x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. So that's all going to change into 3x plus 1 all over 2x plus 1. What do we do with the trick? Turn it upside down again. 2x plus 1 all over 3x plus 1. Okay. Time. Higgins, how much time?